The road to success. Success is not a magic, and it doesn't happen by chance. It is built step by step through small coins you make every single day. Every time you choose hard work over laziness, you force over distraction and grow over comfort. You move closer to success. Truly, success is not about having more than others, but about becoming more than you were yesterday. It is about building a discipline, pushing through failures, and never letting setbacks stop you. Each mistake you make is not the end. It is a lesson that makes you stronger and wise. Many people give up too easily because they think success should come first. But lasting success takes patience, effort, and time. Even the most successful people fail and fail and fail and fail before they reach their goal. The difference is that they refuse. They refuse to quit. Success is also about balance. Your balance. It means taking care of your health, your mind, and your relationship while you chase your dreams. It means be proud of your work, but also humble enough to keep learning. Don't minimize your success by something or by someone easy life. Work your own path. Walk your own path. Take your own step and trust your journey. Even small progress each day builds into something great over time. Keep growing, keep moving towards, and never stop believing in your potential, your potential, your potential. That is the true road to success. This is Oscar GH 107. Some people also describe success. Success is achieving something you wanted to achieve. It is feeling proud of what you have accomplished. Success can can mean success can mean different things to different people. For some, success is getting good grants or lands or land a dream job, landing a dream job. For others, it's building a strong relationship or pursuing pursuing their passion. Success offer require requires a hard work and dedication. Dedication. It is not just about reaching the goal, but also about the journey. Along the way, you learn and grow as a person. Success can bring happiness and fulfillment. It is not just about external achievement, but also about inside peace. Celebrate your success, no matter how small they may seem. Share your success with others and incite them to chase their dreams. Success is a personal and subjective experience. It is up to you to define what success means to you. Keep working towards your goal, and you all be on the path to success. Alright, guys, this is the end of my story. It is not easy to achieve something. You have to work for yourself, because at times we, the young guys and the young girls, we think our parents have money, they have everything. So because of that, we have the opportunity to enjoy life. Because of that, we don't want to work for ourselves. We want to always spend our parents' money, their properties. We want to take the advantage of that. But one thing that I know is, like, if your father have money, that doesn't mean you have money. You have to work and own something by yourself, because your father or your mother, she or he work harder and harder before he achieved what you see today. So for you to be successful like your parents, please try harder. Don't listen to friends. Don't be discouraged. No. Do what you want to do in life and try to accept anything that come into the journey. At the road, good things doesn't come easy as we think. You have to pass through the process. You can do whatever you want to do with your life, but don't joke with it. Because if you are young, you will not see anything yet. You are strong. By the time you be your 50s, 60s, that time that you're going to see that the life is not easy. If you not stand on your feet and fight against poverty, a time will come, what you even eat is going to be difficult to even get money to buy because of your laziness. Because if you not choose hard working and you choose laziness, that one is your cup of tea. Achieving something or getting something is not easy. And try to be disciplined. Try to work for yourself. Don't rely on somebody with your father money, your mother money. No. Do your best for yourself, and even your parents will be proud of you, and they will even assist you. This is Oscar GH. This is the kind of story or definition of success that I'm giving to you today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please share it for me. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking my video. God bless you. Bye. The road to success. Success is not a magic, and it doesn't happen by chance. It is built step by step through small coins you make every single day. Every time you choose hard work over laziness, you force over distraction and grow over comfort. You move closer to success. Truly, success is not about having more than others, but about becoming more than you were yesterday. It is about building a discipline, pushing through failures, and never letting setbacks stop you. Each mistake you make is not the end. It is a lesson that makes you stronger and wise. Many people give up too easily because they think success should come first. But lasting success takes